Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to this vlog of Netherlands, where we talk about the Netherlands lifestyle. And today's vlog is actually going to be interesting because we are going to move from modern city vibes into the traditional old Dutch culture because we are going to visit an open air museum. But first, city vibes, shopping, some fun, and of course this gloomy Dutch weather. Let's go. Actually in the city of Helmond, roaming on the streets which are quite empty because it is a Sunday today. And nevertheless, the place where we want to go is actually going to open after lunch, so like after 1 p.m. So that's why we thought let's get some shopping in until then. But I think there's some sort of a flea market that is happening here because I can see a lot of people on the road selling their stuff. But the vibe overall of Helmond is quite good. From the modern city life of Dutch from Helmond, we are now into this museum called as Boeren Bond Museum, in which it depicts, it's actually an open air museum, it depicts the life of the people in Netherlands in 1900s. So it's quite interesting. This is just taking us so much back in time. The person who was at the Klompen Markrijk, which is basically the shop of making wooden shoes, which is the most famous thing here in the Netherlands. He explained so many things, but the best part was that he was explaining it in Dutch and I was able to hold the conversation. I have been practicing my Dutch for quite some time now and most of the people here are speaking in Netherlands, but I was able to hold the conversations, which I consider a win already. Typical Dutch food. Some pictures, a cupboard bed, so cozy. I don't know what this is. Beautiful dining table, a baby chair, just cuteness all over, and the cattle outside. This is basically an open air museum. Netherlands has quite a few of these. Most of the people always go to Zaanse which is like the one near near Amsterdam. That also kind of shows how the Dutch life was previously. But I was talking to one of the people in one of those shops. Actually, they are the staff, but they dress up as, let's say, a shoemaker or like a blacksmith, and they are actually doing the things like weaving the cloth and all. So he said that this depicts more like the North Brabant lifestyle. So the Brabant area is a bit different from, let's say, Amsterdam or Den Haag or Den Haag area. I love North Brabant a lot and I'm very glad that there is a museum like this which explains so many things about the culture and the life in the 1900s. We're not yet done exploring all of it. We are just taking a playground break because, well, if you're a parent, you know what I mean. हो ना, दरवाजा बंद करून तासन तास.
कोणी डिस्टर्ब नका करू.
In every room there is this, a cupboard inside which there is a bed. It would be so cozy. I think it was mostly to make sure that they get enough heat while they are sleeping. But every room has that. Look at this. There is one more here. You can just go inside, close the doors. That would be so cozy. I would never get out of it. I'm like really exploring every nook of this place, and now I am into a big house. So I saw the kitchen, I saw the living room, and this is like the attic. Wow. A bit scary, I would say. Imagine those times when the electricity was not so common here. Having all this, and there's also like a kids toys being kept. I don't know if it was exactly like this, but it would be cozy, but without electricity. I am a person who would have gotten scared. Oh, this is the closet.